Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Instagram without an account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step that you need to do is to open any browser and search in the browser instagram.com. And once you open, you simply need to click on Instagram, but it will open in the app. So how you can use Instagram in the Instagram without an account. So here you can see that. So you simply need to click on instagram.com and search for the profile. So I'm going to search here the Honda profile. Click on that, but try to open it here on, but it is installed in my device. But you don't have the app installed. If app is not installed, you simply click on that and you can easily check the Honda page. But there are some certain limitations. You only view the photos of the account, but you are unable to like, comment or share, and you are unable to do anything. So this is the process by which you can use Instagram without an account. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.